In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Notion notes into Obsidian. If you're moving from Notion to Obsidian or just want a local backup of your notes in plain text, this process is straightforward and keeps your content readable and portable. We'll walk through exporting from Notion, unpacking the files, and bringing them into your Obsidian vault so everything is organized and ready to use. Start by opening Notion in your browser. Head to the specific page or database you want to export. If you're trying to move a larger set of notes, it's best to navigate to a top-level page that contains the subpages you want, so everything stays grouped together in the export. In the top right corner of the Notion page, click the three dots to open the page menu. From there, choose Export. When Notion asks for a format, select Markdown and CSV. Markdown is a plain text format that Obsidian understands perfectly, and CSV is used for databases, which Notion will include as spreadsheets. This choice ensures your headings, lists, links, and basic formatting carry over cleanly. Click Export to start the process and download the zip file when it's ready. Depending on how much content you're exporting, this may take a moment. Once the file is on your computer, find it in your Downloads folder and extract it. On most systems, you can double-click the zip to open it, or right-click to choose an extract option. You'll see a set of folders and .md files. Notion often includes an Assets folder for images and attachments. Keep this structure intact to preserve links. Now open Obsidian. Then open your vault, which is simply the folder where Obsidian stores and reads your notes. Choose the vault you want to add these notes to. With your vault open, drag the extracted folders and .md files from the export into your vault's folder using your file manager. You're moving the content directly into the vault's directory on your computer. Obsidian will detect the new files automatically and index them. Your notes should appear in the file list with their formatting intact, and any images stored in the export should remain linked as long as the Assets folder stays with the notes. That's it. You've exported from Notion, unpacked the files, and brought everything into Obsidian in a clean, portable format. And that's how to import your Notion notes into Obsidian. Subscribe for more tutorials.